In this video we are going to study about screw conveyor that is used for material handling. So what is screw conveyor? Screw conveyors are used to convey or elevate the material continuously at steady rate with the help of a rotating helical screw blade known as flight by shear and tumbling effect inside a U-shaped trough or a round tube. So you can look in this image. So this is U-shaped trough. So this is U-shaped trough. Then this is rotating helical screw blade. So this is rotating helical screw blade, and this is used for conveying or elevating the material. Suppose here we place the material and that is convey through this up to this, and this will be conveyed at steady rate. So this is continuously rotating. So this is operated by electric motor and this screw conveyor is now rotating. So this is a U-shaped trough and inside this helical screw is rotating. Now here you can look, the screw conveyor is conveying the material continuously at steady rate. So in the gap between the helical screw, the material is being transported, and it is possible the mixing of the material. So it have the blade like structure in a screw. So it is also possible to transport the grain like paddy grain, wheat grain or granular material to elevate or convey at distances, or a semi-fluid material can be conveyed through this screw conveyor. So what is screw conveyor? The screw conveyor मध्ये दोन महत्त्वाचे भाग आहे. एक आहे यू शेप ट्रफ आणि एक दुसरा महत्त्वाचा पार्ट आहे दॅट इज रोटेटिंग हेलिकल स्क्रू ब्लेड. सो हा आहे रोटेटिंग हेलिकल स्क्रू ब्लेड and this is a U-shaped trough and material is being inserted from this place and it is get outside from this side. Screw conveyors are generally used for handling the coal, crushed material, powder, cement, chemical, etc. The periphery of leading side of helix is provided with hard face welding for handling the abrasive material. So this is provided with hard abrasive material to handle the screw conveyors. Are typically designed to convey a bulk material at 15, 13 or 45% of the trough loading. So this is the U-shaped trough आणि मग याच्यामध्ये किती मटेरियल याचे नेलं पाहिजे तर पूर्ण कॅपॅसिटीने हा ऑपरेट करत नाही. हा जनरली ऑपरेट करतो ॲट द कॅपॅसिटी ऑफ 15%, 13% or 45%. So as a general rule, the trough loading of 45% can be used for light, free-flowing and non-abrasive bulk material. मग हा जो ट्रफ आहे हा याच्या ज्या कॅपॅसिटीच्या 45% कॅपॅसिटीने हा ऑपरेट केला जातो. कशासाठी? फॉर फ्री फ्लोईंग अँड light material, जे हलके मटेरियल आहेत, फ्री फ्लोइंग आहे, त्याच्यासाठी वी कॅन यूज दिस ट्रफ up to 45% of its loading capacity. Then working principle of screw conveyor. The screw conveyor consists of helical screw or auger. So this is the helical screw or auger, like components kept in either U-shape or round shape pipe. So either U-shape or round shape pipe, like casing in such a way that the edge of the screw touches the wall of the casing throughout its length. So this helical screw is kept inside this U-trough such that it touches this wall of the casing. The screw is powered by motor to have its clockwise or anti-clockwise motion. याच्यामध्ये हा जो स्क्रू आहे याला पॉवर प्रोव्हाइड केली जाते थ्रू दी मोटार, इलेक्ट्रिक मोटार. The bulk materials are fed into the casing through hopper. So here is, suppose there is a hopper like arrangement, and from hopper like arrangement, suppose this is the hopper like arrangement, and from which the material to be conveyed is placed here and it is passed through this. So the important is hopper is used. The rotating screw holds back material in a gap between the screw. So याच्यामध्ये जो गॅप आहे दोन स्क्रू मध्ये तिथे मटेरियल हेल्ड केलं जातं and that is the pass continuously. The screw flight pushes and makes the material to do axial movement and clockwise or anti-counterclockwise movement. So this screw flight pushes and makes the material its axial movement. So axial movement is happen inside this trough due to this helical screw. The flight acts as a mixer, and during the flight जेव्हा याचा प्रवास होतो येत नाही त्यावेळेस काय होतं, एक मिक्सिंगचं पण काम इथे केलं जातं ड्यू टू दिस स्क्रू. The materials are fed from the bottom hopper and lifted upwards or more horizontally at a distant space and then discharged as proper outlet at the bottom of the casing or transport out at the end of the chute. So suppose here is the hopper, then material is transferred and it is then get out from this place. Then what are the applications of screw conveyor? So number one, for transportation of bulk material like mineral, agricultural commodities like grains, in pharmaceutical industry, chemicals, plastics, salt, pigments, sand, cement and food material. So screw conveyor have application in a number of industries including agricultural commodity, so like pharmaceutical industry, chemical industry, etc. Then second, for metering and measuring the flow rate from storage bin and adding the small control amount of trace material such as a pigment to granule material or to the powders. So we can use the screw conveyor for metering or measurement of the flow rate. मग हे कसं केलं जातं? So by adding some trace material inside like pigments or granular materials, powder मध्ये थोडंसं टाकून त्याचा we can measure it or measure the flow rate. So this is the application. Then number 3, screw conveyor move the material either horizontally or an incline vertically. They are used to feed, distribute, collect, mix and equip to either while performing the transfer. So we can do the action of mixing along with transportation of material through the screw conveyor. It is suitable to convey powdery granulous material. So by using the screw conveyor, it is possible Then advantages of screw conveyor. So what are the advantages of screw conveyor? So there are 3 advantages of screw conveyor. Number 1, it is ideal for conveying dry to semi-fluid bulk material. So जे मटेरियल सुके किंवा अर्ध सुक्या अवस्थेत आहे, that can be used for transporting or conveying. Then number 2, cost effective when compared to other conveying devices. So cost effective, it means it require less cost or less operating cost. Then number 3, efficiently distribute bulk material to various locations using multiple inlet and discharge point. So it is possible to distribute a multiple inlet and discharge point. एकाच वेळेस अनेक ठिकाणी आपण त्याचा इनलेट आणि डिस्चार्ज पॉइंट याच्यामध्ये देणं शक्य आहे. And totally enclosed for dusty, corrosive and hazardous environment. And screws conveyor हे टोटली इन्क्लोज करणं शक्य आहे, ज्यामुळे धूळमुक्त वातावरणामध्ये कन्वेइंग करणं पॉसिबल होऊ शकते. So this is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching this.